This Headless Professor video is about how to do APA citations. APA stands for the American Psychological Association, but many other organizations, including other academic disciplines, also use this APA method for citations. The word citation comes from the verb to cite, and it means to identify the source of data or theory. Do not confuse it with these two other words that are pronounced cite. A location, such as a website or a building site, or sight, which is the visual sense, something to be seen. The basic rule for all writing and presentations is that one's citations and references should be appropriate to the audience in terms of level, scope, emphasis, format, and tone. APA format is for reporting scientific findings, and as a result, it should be objective, clear, and concise. What is wrong for this kind of audience is something that is designed to impress, convince, or disparage, rather than impartially present facts and theories. Let me give you an example of how the popular press and websites might do a citation, and compare that with what should be done in a professional or academic journal. The Journal of Psychiatric Research published a study by a team of researchers from the Department of Psychiatry at Stanford Medical School, led by a famous Yale graduate, Dr. Jerome Savage, MD, who conducted research which conclusively demonstrated that the geriatric depression scale is the best. Here's how that reference would appear in a scientific journal in APA format. Notice the difference in tone as well as the difference in format. Compared to the Hamilton or Beck depression scales, the geriatric depression scale has superior internal reliability and predictive validity for measuring depression in later life. Savage et al., 1983. Just remember to include these things: the author's last name, the date of publication, and that's what you put in parentheses, and then the period. Now, what do we put in the complete bibliographical information? Well, that belongs in the reference section, placed at the end of your report. All the different references will be organized by the author's last names. All of the references there must be matched to the citations. If something is cited in the body of your presentation, it should be in the reference section. And if it's in the reference section, it should be cited at least once within the body of your presentation.